Hello, Corie. Well, it's been a day and a half of thrashing. Just got the carbs on, rebuilt the starter button, the kill switch, lubed the cables, did all kinds of other stuff along the way, resurfaced the intake manifolds. Anyway, I'm getting ready. By the way, that chirping you hear is my cockatiel behind you. I'm getting ready to start this for the first time. Kill switch off to get the oil pressure up. Up and ready. Kill switch on. As expected, but there's your new carbs. I still have to balance the carburetors, obviously. They're pretty close, but yeah, there's the bird talking to you. Still got a bunch of tuning to do, but she's running. And I checked the charging system, it's working. As it warms up, the balance is already pretty much perfect. I've got more to do to it, obviously, but I doubt seriously I'm going to get out there and ride it today. It's 12:20 and it's 98 degrees on my shaded patio. So, anyway, she's running. That's a big step, and running a lot smoother than it did yesterday. All right, say goodbye, Mako. Goodbye.